If WhatsApp is not working on your Android phone, don't worry, here is how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the app responds. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off. Next, restart your phone. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. Now go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage app depending on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list. Then force stop. Then reopen the app to see if it works properly. If not, go back to app info, tap storage, and then tap clear cache. This will not delete your chats, so don't worry about it. Make sure WhatsApp is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap update if available. Also, check for system update. Go to settings, then find software update and install any pending updates. Lastly, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. But before that, make sure to back up your chats in WhatsApp settings under chats and chat backup. And that's how you can fix WhatsApp not working error on your Android phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android fixes.